Okay, so to start off, I know that for the 5-number summary, I'm going to need the minimum and the maximum, and the mean, and then also the first quartile and the second quartile. Okay, now for the min and the max, that's easy because this is going to be the minimum, the lowest amount, and then the maximum or the highest amount is going to be right here at 17. So then once I have that, those are the first two numbers. And then for the mean, what I did was I was like, I know it's going to be either 12 or 13 because that seems to be where the most of the data points are. And it's kind of spread out, so it's kind of equal. So I tried 13, and to find the mean, I did 14 is 1 away. This is 15 is 2, so that's 4 away for 2. And then 16 is 3 away. Oh my goodness. 3 away. And then 17 is going to be 4 away. So this is going to be 12. And then I did that on the same thing on the other side. And so then I got 1. 12 is 1 away, so that's 4 for all 4 of these points right here. And then 11 is 2 away, so that's 4 for both of those points. And then 10 is 3 away, so that's 6 for both of those points. And already right there, I knew this is, because this is 10 plus the 4 right here, so that's 14 away. And I still have more points, so that I knew that 13 wasn't the mean. So once I knew that 13 wasn't the mean, I tried 12. And then 13 is 1 away, so these 3 points right here is 3 away. And then this one is 2 away. This is going to be 15 3 away, so 2 of those is 6. And then 16 is going to be 4 away, and 17 is 5 away. So this is going to be 10. This is 20 right here. 20 is the distance from 12, between the points from 12 to 17. And on the other side, so this was 1 away, so it's 2 away. This is 2 away, so it's 4 away for both of them. And then these are 6 away. And then these are, oh my gosh. So 8 is 4 away, so this is going to be 8 total, and then so that would be 20 as well, this right here. So I knew that the mean was 12. So then after that, I had to find the first quartile and the upper quartile and the first one and the second one. And then so for the first one, I knew that I was going to have to take from 8 to 12, but since the mean is exactly 12, you don't actually use 12, but it's everything before 12. So it was going to be, so to find the mean of this one, I just added them together. So I did 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 11 plus 11. And then I divided it by the number, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 data points, so I divided it by 9 data points, and I got 9.5 as that one. And then for the second one, I did the same thing. I did so then the first one's going to be from 12 to 17, but we're not including 12, so it's going to be 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 15 divided by, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data points, and I got 14.5. So then once I had the 5-number summary, I just made the line, and I did 12, then I did 14. Just put the numbers in. Terrible numbers. Okay. Whatever. Okay, So then I plotted the minimum, which is 8, and the maximum, which is 17. And then I did the mean right here at 12. And the first one is at 9.5. So if my halves are perfect, it'd be probably right there. And then the second one was 14.5, so it'd be right about here. And then you just draw the box. And then the whisker. So that was how I got my box and whisker graph. And then if for the second part, if it mattered, which one's the better middle point, it doesn't really matter, or at least I noticed it doesn't really matter, because you have, this is the mean right here, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points over here. So the median is 12 as well. So, and the mean is 12 right here. So it doesn't really matter which number you used as the middle, because they're both the same number.